Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we have the Artdot diamond painting unboxing. Now this one was so big, by the way it's Valentine's today, so happy Valentine's. Today it was, let me have a bit of my white Cinderfails first of all. Oh, that's lovely. I do like, a cold refreshing drink. So on with the show. This was a little bit too big to film it because I've got an aerial view and I use like a scissor tripod. So half the clamp is like up here and then you've got like a bar sort of there with the clamp holder, and I thought I don't think I can even get this in shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this it's going to have to be a face-to-face one. There's nothing, I can't get it in the frame. So it's going to be not the best of unboxing, but we'll try to get it all in. This, my friends, is so big. It is, I think Lazy Retired Granny's got this. This is the Pro Kit, and you see, it's this gorgeous mountain, and it's got like flowers in it as well. It is absolutely massive, and I thought I've got to have this. So this was the very first painting that I got. I've already looked at it because it was something new. I couldn't work out why it was in a tube, and I just dived straight into it. I got this around Christmas 2024, and I'll tell you something, it is absolutely gorgeous. This kit is out of this world. So in here, so bloody big. Let me show you the thing, by the way. This is the canvas. Okay, it is absolutely massive. You see how gorgeous that is? And I went for the biggest one they had. This was the size that I wanted for the butterflies. Unfortunately, for some reason they didn't have it in that size. But just to give you a feel for it, look how big this is. This is going to be absolutely massive. But just to have them white, where the cliffs are, and then you've got that lovely sort of lake, and then the field full of like poppies and tulips and all sorts going on there. I think this is going to be a fabulous, fabulous kit, darling. Now, we have here 40 colours on the schematic, and then it goes down to another 40. So it's quite a lot of drills. In here, you do get yourself this lovely sticker sheet with your stickers on it. We do have 4 Aurora Borealis drills in this, so it's going to be really nice. One thing I love about Artdot is the fact that they pre-sticker them, so we don't have to spend all this time, having to sit there writing all the codes on them, sticking them on the tray. It's all done for you. Inside here also, we have a whopping massive pack of drills. I'm not going to get these out purely because if I get them out, I'm never going to get them back in the tube to take home. So I'm just going to briefly show you. But you can see there's so much colours going on in this. So yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely stunning pack of drills. It is so big, I can't wait to do. Also, what I quite like the idea of is I use these. So you see that bit that peels off, look, this bit here, I can use that on like the, them rectangle storage tray things that I get, and we can just slap it on the top, and then I know, right, that's for that, painting. So I'm really happy with that. We also, the fun don't stop there, because we also get these, which are, these are our little accessory pack here, and inside here we get ourselves the rectangle. I'm quite happy with this because I can now connect it up to another tray. We've got the rectangle one with that lovely chute at the bottom so you can tip your drills out. You got yourself a love heart wax there because today's Valentine's. Do you like my glasses? They came from, this was the gift that I got in the range. I saw these glasses, and as you can see, they're like the giant big ones. And I got them for my brother to take away because he was going to Butlins and he likes to prat about and like have fun and stuff. And I thought, these are just like the perfect thing. And I'm borrowing them today for this video because I thought I'd like try them and see how I get on. We do get ourselves a lovely cupcake sticker, so that's going to be quite good. I think if we get any pastel drills, we could put them on there, really make it like a pastel thing. We also get ourselves this, I don't know what you would call that. Would it be like a leaf or something? I don't actually know. But we get that, and we get this gorgeous Look at this washi tape. This is absolutely stunning. It is like it's got like flowers on it. It's like I'd say like a daisy, but that is going to go so well with the, the cliff, because if you look here, it's like a light blue. So I think that's going to go really well. So that is my beautiful canvas, people. Now, what I'm going to do is this video will go up on Saturday. So we will put that up tomorrow. Unfortunately, I've had a bit of a boo-boo. Last night, let me get this back in here first, because it's, yeah, I thought to myself, I'm going to have to do it like this way, because I'm never going to get this all in frame. So I've made a bit of a cock-up. Last night, I edited all the video ready for the mandala, and I have made a big mistake. I have looked at the video, and it weren't making sense. So I thought, well, maybe I've, edited the wrong video. Pulled up the last one. There's only 2 more episodes left. And it isn't. So what I've done is I've done a bit of a problem. I've accidentally deleted the footage. I thought that I uploaded it, and because what I normally do is I upload it and then I take it off my phone to free up storage for the next video. What I think I've done, I've looked on OneDrive, I cannot find it anywhere on my iPhone or my Google Pixel, and I think what's happened is I've accidentally uploaded it and deleted it, and so the whole footage is gone. So it's not going to make sense. What I'm going to do is put this unboxing in place of it, and then I'm going to have to try, I just want to check to see if it's on my computer somewhere. Maybe I've uploaded it onto there. If it's not on there, then I'm afraid we're going to have to just jump to the next stage. So the plan of action is what we're going to do. We're going to do the unboxing in the morning of Saturday. So you'll see this first, and then in the evening, you'll see like a jumped version of the mandala, because I'm going to have another look tonight, see if I can find it. But if not, you will see, like, because on the notebook, you've got like it looks like an orange flower bit filled in. And on that footage I was looking at last night, it's actually already drilled in, which makes me think that I've accidentally deleted the stage before that. So what you'll do is you'll see the bit where it's all coloured in that orange bit, and then obviously the final after that. So you'll get 2 videos this week on the Saturday, and then obviously it is what it is. I am human, mistakes can happen, and yeah, I'm quite annoyed with myself, because like I did sort of think to myself, why don't I go back to the range, get another book, just film that session again. But then it means having to pay out for another notebook, and then trying to like do all the drills but not do that section, so that you don't see that section already filled in. So it's just too complicated. So yeah, that's what it is. I hope you like that unboxing. I think this is the one from Linda, because Linda said she had this. So that is that one. I think I've got them all now. I think the only one that I don't have, which I really want, Craft Addict Roxanne had this, and it was absolutely gorgeous. It's like this size, and it's of a panda. There is another one which Pauline got, and that was I think she says sunflowers, and then there's like this Halloween one. As I said in one of the lives, they are looking at, bringing more paintings out, but they're saying it's going to take time. So I think this is probably going to be probably the last one I unbox, because that panda is always out of stock. I'm trying my hardest to get that. And then I think I might get the sunflower, and that probably be it. I'm really not, the Halloween one's really not doing it for me. But yeah, so I thought I'd get this one out of the way, because my brother's gone over to Chelmsford to pick up Teddy, because he's popping over this evening, because obviously they're on half term now, you see, so they get like a week. We get them for a few extra days. But yeah, I thought I'd get this out of the way while it's nice and quiet. They've all gone out, no more interruptions, and I can get this filmed and out the way. And that's all our Artdots all caught up now. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to do all them lovely YouTubey things. Like, share, subscribe. Tap the notification bell if you want to be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And if you want to become a channel member and see exclusive unboxings that are not available to the standard subscribers, you know what to do, people. join up to the channel memberships. We're also doing live members only videos as well. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to have a lovely evening. And yeah, I'm actually recording this on Valentine's, and you'll see it on the Saturday. But yeah, just thought I'd chuck in a little bonus extra video for you. So until then, take care, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for your invaluable support. See you later, and I will see you next time for another unboxing on Monday morning. La 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 la. And don't forget, guys, get yourself down, or get the iPlayer on, get yourself some wine and watch EastEnders. It's the 40th anniversary. I'm really sorry, I actually forgot. I told you it was the live episode yesterday. Or was it the day before, and it wasn't? So it was a really weird one. On the 13th, they played the old-fashioned like the theme tune. It was really, really old, and Phil was like, there was a young version of Phil and Grant, and he was having flashbacks, and then Grant turns up with Nigel. So Grant is back, guys. Ross Kemp is back in EastEnders. So yeah, grab yourself some wine, get down to that. But the live of that is now the 20th of February, apparently. But anyway, enough blabbering on. I talk for Britain. Take care, have a lovely day, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.